We present you today grilled shrimp. That is how you prepare the shrimps before grilling. You cut off.
No, from here take a fork, then take the thread out. This like this.
You remove the central nerves.
No nerves. This is the intestine. They're inside. There's so much dirt. One. To cut all this.
Cut out the legs. Make a hole and take out the intestine. Intestine.
See the black part.
Remove the intestine.
See like this.
Prepare the shrimp of the parsley leaves,
garlic,
an onion, a lemon, also ginger and garlic. Peel off the onion and baby corn. Slice the onion.
Put down.
Put in the air fryer. Then add baby corn. Cut baby corn. Place cleaned shrimp or prawns.
And put salt.
Place the shrimp properly. Peel off garlic. Chop garlic. Peel off the chopped garlic. Chop the ginger off the ginger
skin
and chop. Chop onions, small bowl with chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder.
The spices.
What is the spice?
Just different mixed spices.
Mixed Asian spices.
Yeah.
Add about 2 teaspoons. Chili powder about 1 teaspoon. Jeera powder about 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of jeera powder. Add light soy sauce about 1 tablespoon.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster.
Add oyster sauce, oyster sauce, add about 2 teaspoons,
lemon,
squeeze squeeze lemon onto the prawns as well to the bowl. Now add the mixture on top of the prawns or the shrimps. Mix so that the spices mixture touches all the prawns. Grind lemon skin on top to give a flavor. Add olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. Add little barbecue sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Mix. Add washed parsley leaves, wash and cut on top. Place it in the air fryer. Placing in the air fryer. For prawns, the recommended temperature is about 180. It's already set for 180 and the duration 15 minutes. Is 15 minutes. It starts automatically. The lights you can see. After 15 minutes, the dish was done. Air frying completed. It looks fabulous, appetizing and tasty. Really, really tasty. That's the completed dish. Shrimp are cooked nicely. You can sprinkle some coriander leaves on top and it will be loved by your family. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.